Today's session, I wanted to talk to you about the 7 reasons you don't have enough clients. Now, this is a free guide. You can download the whole thing whenever you want. I'll put the links below, all right? And it's literally step by step. But before we get into it, I wanted to just read a little bit of it so I can show you what we're talking about here. My name is Ed J.C. Smith, founder of the Champion Academy, where we bring out the champion inside of you so you can live life on your terms. All right, number 1, all right? Let me tell you why you don't have enough clients. Look, and if you're an entrepreneur or wannabe entrepreneur, right? If you are a coach, consultant, author, an expert, all right? The whole life of your business is how many clients you have. That's all it is. And so therefore you need people to see the stuff that you've got, all right? You need to download this, all right? Number 1, the truth be known. All right, especially when you're starting your business. The reason that you don't have enough clients is number 1, you are trying to do too many social media platforms at one time. And that is the God's honest truth. All right, so I talk about this in detail. If you are trying to do every single social media platform, when you are beginning, you're diluting your focus. All right, and so sometimes people are watching the Gary Vaynerchuk or whatever. You forget that Gary focused on one social media channel first. All right, today, all right, I recommend every single step of the way. If you've got to get one working first, then you've got to get Facebook ads working for your business. Why? Because look, YouTube, if you do not have a downloadable link where you can take someone's email address, all right, it's going to be a long game for you. All right, Instagram, I'm not saying that Instagram doesn't work. Of course it works. But unless you have a link in bio so people can put some details in, to get some sort of free thing from you, it's going to be very difficult, depending, again, what service or what products you have. If you're a coach, consultant, author, expert, you have to have a link for someone to give something away. Otherwise, it's just going to be a waste of your time. All right, and you're just going to be expecting to get loads of clients. But unless you have something like a free magnet, a free giveaway, a free something, all right, to do, then literally, it's never going to happen for you. I'm going to just tell you straight, there's too much competition there today. And so therefore, all right, if you focus, and let me justify why Facebook ads, because you get immediate feedback. All right, back in the day when I had a traditional bricks and mortar business, it would take me, I'd have to, the only way I'd get new clients was advertising in like magazines or advertising in, like newspapers, etc. And they controlled everything. Today, you have the control, yo. You can put a Facebook ad up, and if you don't like it, you can take it down the next day. If no one buys anything from it, what do you learn? Do you win or what? Do you win or, I can't hear you. Do you win or, it begins with L. Do you win? No, you win or learn. All right, you win or learn. All right, and so immediately you have the feedback. All right, you can control this. All right, back in the day, if you did some flyers for your business, and I spent like £700 on a flyer, they went out and they didn't like them, or no one actually came back. There's nothing you can do about it. You can't change the copy. All right, you can't give a better offer. It's done, right? And so today you can put an offer up, right? Just like a flyer, you can put it up. People can skim through it and they can see it. You can target specific people, exactly who your niche is. You've got to have a niche and a target today because of the saturation out there. There are, every single market has, people in it, and that's a good thing, which means that there's people still waiting to buy it. All right, and so don't worry about the fact that whether there's too many people or not. If you have something that's special, if you start really focusing on stuff and make it great, then I promise people will come to you. So that being said, download the 7 reasons why you do not have enough clients, and I look forward to spending more time with you. Till then, all right, no matter what happens, never give up on your dreams, and I'll see you on the next episode.